What's up guys, Yeti here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your Blue Yeti microphone with an Xbox. So, of course you'll need your Blue Yeti microphone and an Xbox controller with your Xbox. You're going to need a headset adapter for Xbox. Just also want to note that even if your Xbox controller has an audio jack here, you're still going to need this headphone adapter. You're going to need your Blue Yeti power cable. You're going to need an aux cable. I want to note that it has to have 2 black lines here, because if it has 3 then this won't work. And lastly, you're going to need a headphone splitter that has 3 lines here, and it's got to have a headphone symbol and a microphone symbol. So firstly, you've got to get your Xbox controller and headset adapter and plug that in. Next, get your headphone splitter and plug it into the headphone jack. Then get your Blue Yeti power cable and plug one into your Xbox or laptop. Try for your Xbox, but if it doesn't work, find a laptop and plug it into there. Then plug it into your Blue Yeti. You should be able to tap it and the power should flash, like so. You can see it's flashing the light. And if you tap it again, it should be a solid red light. Next, get your cable, your aux cable with the 2 black lines. Plug one into your Blue Yeti and one end into the red end of your headphone adapter, and get your headphones and plug one end into the green end of your adapter. You should be good. So the way to test if this works is you turn on your Xbox, you go into a party, and when you speak there should be a white line around your profile picture. So when I speak, you can see there's a white ring, or according to your colour. So, if you have any other questions, remember to leave them in the comment section below. And if this video helps you, please like or even subscribe. And I'll see you next time.